Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, how are you guys doing? So this is a general love reading till the end of April, and we will tap into a partner's energy and your energy, and we will see what will be the outcome. So Aquarius, your partner right now is the magician. They're manifesting this relationship big time, or they are manifesting stability and a loving relationship or a soulmate connection in their life. So Aquarius, basically your partner is manifesting something in their life, and I feel the manifestation is working. Okay, Aquarius, I feel like this manifestation is working in their favor. Now the universe is favoring them, and now the universe is working towards what they want. What your partner wants in their helping in their manifestation. Okay, so how your partner sees you, Aquarius, wheel of fortune, they feel like you are their lucky charm. They feel like things are turning in your favor, or your feelings are turning in their favor now, or they feel like you are someone whom they can turn the wheel, roam the world, or you are the one with whom they can see the world together. They can feel the world is theirs and yours only. They can feel like this connection is a very lucky and beautiful connection. So right now your partner is manifesting something. They see you as their lucky charm. They see you as their lucky and beautiful person. Okay, what they feel about this relationship is the Four of Wands, Aquarius. Your partner is in love with you, and they want to have a solid and committed relationship with you, and they feel like you are the right person for them. And they deep down inside they feel like this relationship is what they needed in their life. This is what they manifested in their life. This is what type of relationship or what type of person in their the what this is what the type of person or type of relationship they want in their life. So that is why I feel like the manifestation is working in their favor. Okay. So what they want from this relationship, this is the Eight of Swords energy, Aquarius. I feel like your person wants to come out of this mental jail, or they have created some kind of walls like around them, and they were not emoting their emotions. They were not able to, able to, tell you what they are going through right now, Aquarius, or right now they were not, telling you exactly what they are going through, exactly how they feel in this relationship. I'm so sorry for this blockage of my throat because I'm doing constant readings from morning, so I am getting a little blockage in my throat chakra. So please bear with me, okay? So yeah. So what they want from this relationship is they want to come out of this mental jail. They feel like they were in some kind of jail, and they were trapped in their emotions. They were trapped in their life. Although they can easily come out of this jail, okay, your partner can easily come out of this jail, but for some of you, their partner could also be literally in the jail if they are like if they did something wrong. Okay, so whatever it is, they want to come out of this mental conflict. They want to come out of this mental jail, and they want to start afresh, because the outcome from their side is the King of Swords, Aquarius. They are very very clear about everything in their life right now, Aquarius. They are very clear about this relationship. They are very clear about you. They are very clear about what they want in this relationship, because this is very blunt and honest energy. This is air energy as well. So I feel like you could be dealing with a Libra. Okay, so I feel like this person is very very clear about everything. They are going to talk to you openly and honestly that what they want. They are getting the mental clarity, and they are going to reveal it to you soon. By the end of April, they are going to talk to you honestly, and they are going to reveal what they want from this relationship. Then I think your part comes in, what you want from them. Okay, the King of Swords is clarified by the Nine of Swords, the Six of Pentacles, and the Nine of Pentacles. I feel like this person is stressing over you a lot, Aquarius, and that is why they want to have they want to give they want to have equal give and take in this relationship. They want to give equally, they want to take equally, and they want to work on their finances. They want to work on their freedom. So basically, what I feel is they gain this mental clarity. The King of Swords energy came in their life after going through a lot of stress, after going through a lot of worrying about you, worrying about this relationship. Now they don't want to worry about this relationship. They want equal give and take, and they want to work on their own happiness, own business, own pentacles. Okay, they are working on their stability, and that is why they are getting very very each and every passing day is making them very very clear about you, very very clear about this particular relationship. So they are manifesting you big time. They are manifesting a very happy go lucky family with you, a stable life with you, happily ever after with you. So Aquarius, your energy, Seven of Swords. I feel like there's something that is yet to be revealed to you, or there's something that you are hiding from your partner. Might be Aquarius. Might be there is something that is very very difficult to reveal to your partner, that is why you are hiding something from them, or you are self sabotaging yourself, or you are hiding your emotions from yourself only. So this is kind of truth coming out. Okay, so you are in this energy of there is something that came out in the light, or there's something that you got to know about your partner maybe, and that is making you kind of holding back, or that is making you kind of gaining all the mental clarity about this particular person or relationship. How you see your partner is the nine of wands reversed. You feel like your partner is not taking any kind of stand for themselves. You feel like your partner is closed off. They are acting weird. They are acting cold. They are acting detached from you. Okay, so you are feeling like there's something that came out in your that came out to light, and you are not able to process this situation. You are not able to process the truth, and you feel like your partner is not taking any kind of action, because this is like they were taking in the past, they were taking stand and they were ready to commit to you, but now I feel like they are closed off. They are not ready to take any kind of stand, or ready to take this relationship to another level or next level. Okay, what you feel about this relationship is the chariot in reverse. I feel like you feel like this relationship is not going anywhere, Aquarius. You feel like this, although you're trying a lot, although your partner is trying a lot, but this relationship is stagnant. This relationship is not going anywhere, and you guys are feeling stuck with each other. Although you love each other, but you are feeling like this is not what it should be. Okay, you guys are feeling stuck maybe, and this relationship is not moving on in the phase of commitment or relationship as you want it to be, Aquarius. Okay, this is how you feel about this relationship. You feel like there is nothing happening in this relationship. This relationship is not working out, or we guys are not able to move together, or whatever it is, but there is lots of difficulty in this relationship. What you want from this relationship is the strength. You want to come out of this situation of not talking to you, or situation of not communicating your emotions to your partner. You want to come out of this zone of holding back. You want to communicate with your person. You want to conversate with your person. You want to tell them what they are actually what you want to tell them what you are going through, and you want to talk to them what they are going through. So whatever it is, you guys are holding back maybe, Aquarius, and you want to come out of this zone of holding back. The outcome from your side is the two of pentacles. Confusing energy, very confusing energy. You are feeling the need to talk to your partner, but you are confused whether you should talk to a partner or not, whether you should take this leap of faith with them, or maybe, or it could also be possible that you are dealing with two people at the same time, two situations at the same time, and you're not able to come out of one situation, or to choose between two parties, or choose between two people or two situations, whatever it is, you know better. So the two of pentacles, your outcome is clarified by the ten of swords, ten of pentacles, ace of pentacles. I feel like you felt like stabbed in the back in the past, or you feel like the worst is over now. You are getting the clarity. You're confused. You are in a confused state of mind. But now I feel like slowly, you are getting the clarity that the worst is over. Now you want to work on your stability. You want to work on your family life, on your happily ever after with this particular person, and you're not. And by the end of April, I think you will be able to give this person a stable solid relationship offer, or a brand new beginning in this relationship. Okay, or it could also mean that you are going for a new person and leaving behind the past. So but whatever it is, the confusion will clear out, the air will clear out for you, Aquarius, and you will be eventually able to start to have a new beginning with a person of your life, with your person. Okay, so your confusing state will end, because your partner is gaining clarity, and they will clearly tell you what they want from you, and this conversation will change everything for the better for both of you. Okay, so the overall energy, the mutual energy for both the partners is the devil. I feel like you guys are stuck. I told you guys are feeling stuck with each other. You guys are feeling maybe codependent on each other. Maybe you guys are feeling like might be there was a third party situation, or you are coming out of a third party situation. It could also be possible. But I feel like you guys are feeling obsessed with each other maybe, or one of the partners is feeling obsessed with the other partner. Whatever it is in the mutual energy. So mutual energy and mutual feelings are of the devil. You guys are stuck with each other. You guys are feeling obsessed with each other, addicted to each other, or codependent on each other. I don't know what kind of relationship you guys are having right now, but this is the energy as of now, mutual energy. So I pulled three cards from the Love Oracle deck, and the first card for the past came out as the Phoenix. There was a new phase, rekindle, new transformation, growth, changed mind. I feel like after lots of ups and downs, you finally committed to each other, or you guys came in a relationship. Okay. Right now, the current energy is the camera, reminiscing, keepsake, perception, and from the past, make memories. I feel like right now the universe wants you to tell that. Just live in the moment, okay, whatever is happening, just make beautiful memories, okay, live the moment with each other, don't stress over so many things together. And in the near future, the outcome till the end of April is the golden mirror, self-absorbed, narcissist, one-sided love bombing. I don't know. I feel like in the near future, Aquarius, this is what you are going to deal through, or you are going to see in this particular relationship, okay. And last card, the bottom of the deck, is a passion. I feel like there might be instant chemistry between you guys, lots of physical energy, physical chemistry, physical love is there. But I don't see much of cups in this whole relationship. I feel like there's love from one side and the other side is not that much into this relationship. And that is what is happening right now. Okay. There's lots of passion, there's lots of intense chemistry, liking each other, having fun. This is what is happening. This is the guidance from the universe, so take it as it resonates with you, Aquarius, okay. So thank you so much for listening, Aquarius. This is the reading till April, and I hope it will give you some insight about your particular person or relationship, what you should do, okay. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section below how it resonates with you. Thank you. Namaste.